Well, from 5 a.m. there have been incessant rainfall in the national capital, and even now there have been heavy downpour. The entire NCR region is heavily affected because of NCR region, and itself also the flights, more than 100 such flights have been delayed. Many airlines such as Indigo, SpiceJet have also issued advisory because of the heavy downpour, and even many flights have been cancelled and delayed also because of such heavy rainfall. Not only that, many parts of the national capital, you talk about the ITO, you talk about Gazipur, and many other areas, you talk about the South Delhi, Saket area, they have all been grappling because of waterlogging situation. Now, another major point of concern remains the water mark in Yamuna. Now, for the past few days, we've been noticing that the water level in Yamuna have been increasing, and we are just at Yamuna and we are just showing you the visuals, and you can see that the water level is increasing. Now the water level has increased 40 and the danger level is 50, and with the amount of rainfall that is grappling, that is happening in the national capital, it is very likely that the danger mark could be crossed any moment. We are at the railway bridge, also old railway bridge, Luha Pul, where the meters have been put out, the danger levels have been put out for understanding how much the levels have been increasing. Now I'll show you these alarming visuals also and request my camera person to pan around and just show how alarming it is. We are at the edge and it is risk here, but we are trying to show you the ground reality of how it looks. You can see that the water level has drastically increased and has also reached above the surface area, and slowly also it is coming to the ground. And when you see these pillars also, it has come to the top of the pillar, and as a result of that also this is very alarming. And when you see these visuals, I'll also request my camera person to pan right and show you those visuals of the fact that the water level is increasing, and it looks very clear of the increase in water level also. You can see the water level have been increasing slowly, and because of the incessant rainfall that started from 5 a.m. in the morning until now, it has been raining. There have been heavy 5 hours of rainfall, heavy rainfall that is grappling the national capital. Yes, people will be facing problems, the commuters would be facing major problems, and as a result of that, the Yamuna water level is also increasing. Again, I'll show you and request my camera person to just show around, pan the camera, zoom in, and to show all kinds of possibility so that viewers, you can get an understanding how this looks. The water level here also you can see on the left hand side as well, that it has been increasing incessantly, rapidly. And on the other side, when you see these visuals also, you get an understanding of the fact how heavy the rainfall is, how heavy it has been raining since morning, and as a result of that, water logging is very much prevalent. Water logging is there, water levels are increasing, people are facing major problems, flights are getting delayed. So yes, and IMD has clearly given a red alert also because of the incessant rainfall that is grappling the national capital, and not just the national capital but the NCR region, where you talk about you talk about Ghaziabad, Faridabad, and other Gurugram and other such areas also, which is literally grappling because of the incessant rainfall. This is me, Brian Andy Thomas, signing over with camera person Deepak for NewsX Delhi.